What's up YouTubes? Welcome to another video on hot trades. My name is Blaze. So in this video I'll be looking at the key levels for Nordstrom, ticker symbol JWN. So Nordstrom, just like every other retail or travel industry stock, really moved higher this week due to like Moderna and Pfizer coming out with positive vaccine news. So all these stocks moved higher this week in hopes of economy reopening. So that's why these stocks are performing really well this week. Nordstrom closed up about 23% this week. So that's a really good week. If I do go ahead and zoom out of this chart a little bit, you can tell that this stock has really been punished. That's just the same with any other retail or travel industry stock, right? And that's pretty like self-explanatory. So this is February when we started getting headlines about the coronavirus cases. So yeah, so as you can tell, like we're down quite a bit from its highs. So yeah, so there's a whole lot of upside to this stock, right? But now the only issue is we're starting to get headlines about more coronavirus cases and potential shutdowns coming in the future. So that's why the stock moved low on Friday. So to me, like that's the only like catalyst to the downside for this stock, that we're starting to get more headlines about more coronavirus cases. But in terms of levels that I'm watching, for support, I'm watching $20. $20 is like also a psychological support level. So I'm watching this $20 level. If we can backtest this $20 level and hold it and then move higher from there, that would give you a really good entry. But for resistance, I'm watching 21.91. So if we do get above 21.91, that could also give you a really good entry if we keep going higher from there. So again, like the perfect entry for me would be $20, just because like it's a psychological support level. It's a psychological level. If we can backtest this level and hold and move higher from there, $20 would give you a really good entry. But if we just keep going higher and we get above this resistance at 21.91, and hold it, that would also give you a really good entry. So that's what I'm watching for Nordstrom. Again, like the only issue is that we're starting to get more headlines about more coronavirus cases. Let's see if the stock reacts to that in the upcoming week. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you think I missed something or if you think there's something I can improve on, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.